I am deeply saddened to learn and hear about the demise of late Ratan Tata ji. He was, of course, a very, very well-known figure, not just because of how he transformed the industry, transformed the Tatas, but also for all his philanthropic work and especially his kindness to people of all statures. And I think that's what he will be remembered most for his kindness and for his humility and for his simplicity. Uh, though he never had come directly in touch with us during his lifetime, but like many other states and many other organizations and many other people, late Ratan Tata ji had touched many lives. And in Meghalaya also, even though he was not directly, as I said, there physically present during that time, but through his work, many programs like the Meghalaya Baby League we had was supported by the Tata Trust, whether it was even during the COVID time when we were facing large challenges, supplies of different products were given by the Tata Trust, not just to our state, but to many, many other states and to many, many other communities and organizations. And that's the kind of impact that a person can have, and that speaks volumes of what late Ratan Tata ji had contributed. As I said, it's not just about him, but the ecosystem he created around himself has transformed people, transformed companies, transformed lives, and he has left a mark in the nation and in the world as a whole, which I'm sure will be very, very difficult to replace. And he will always, as I said, be remembered not just for his contribution to the industry and to economics and to growth of the nation, but also for his simplicity, for his humility, for his kindness, and just for the human being that he was.